Hello YouTubers. This video is a small demo on how to control Siemens panel via PC. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. To control Siemens Comfort panel via PC, you need to start rtServer. rtServer is Siemens customized VNC server. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open runtime settings of your current project, switch to the services, and in the remote control you need to tick on the Start rtServer. It will activate rtServer on your device. Compile your project, and upload it to the panel. The next steps for the very first time needs to be done directly on the panel, because you still will not be able to connect to it. I will do that on the PC, because rtServer of my panel is already activated and running, so I am able to connect to it. Start your panel. Make sure that you see Start Center, otherwise restart your panel by doing a power cycle, or if your project has a button with assigned function to stop the runtime, then use it to stop the runtime. From here, click on Settings, and follow by clicking on the WinCC Internet Settings. In the WinCC Internet Settings you should see the tab named Remote. If you do not see that tab, it means you haven't activated rtServer in your project, or the project with new settings is not downloaded to the panel. Click on the Remote tab. Tick on the Start automatically after booting, so your rtServer will be started automatically each time you reboot your panel. If you tick on Mark Close with Runtime, then rtServer will be stopped if you will stop the runtime. So if you want to able to access the panel after the runtime is stopped, then make sure that this mark is not ticked. After that you need to click on the button Change Settings. Here you can see two fields for passwords, and the mode for each password. With the combination of those two check marks you can set two passwords. One is for full control of your panel. Another one is for view-only mode. By ticking on the view-only mode you specify that the user with this password will be able to view only. Set the passwords, select combination of your check marks and close the dialog with OK. The next dialog will follow with the messages that the remote server needs a restart. Should this happen automatically? Confirm the dialog with Yes. Your panel will reboot. I have lost connection, because panel is rebooting. Start your smart client. In my case I try to reconnect, for you it will be a first time connection. By the way, you might get a warning that your certificate is out of date, characters in the thumbprint will be in red. You can ignore that message or apply given certificate. Enter one of the passwords, preferably the one that allows full control. After that you should be able to connect to the panel. Connection is established, now I can view and control the panel. Let's get through the steps one more time. Click on the settings in the Start Center. Click on WinCC Internet Settings. Switch to the Remote tab. If you do not see Remote tab, make sure that you have activated Smart Server in the settings of your project and downloaded it to the panel. Tick the mark Start automatically after reboot. Leave the Close with Runtime unchecked. Click on the Change Settings. Set passwords and mode for each password. Confirm with OK and you are good to go. As you can see, I have a full access to the all resources. That is what I wanted to show you today. If this video was useful, please do not forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and happy coding.